back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and y'all, it's the new year. Happy New Year. Well, when y'all see this, Happy New Year, it's a new year, but I'm filming this today on the 30th. So is today 30th or 31st? No, 30th. So yeah, anywho, I'm about to make the cabbage soup. You know, y'all been seeing that on TikTok and Facebook and all that good stuff. So yeah, I asked Roosevelt before I got here to go pick up everything we need to make cabbage soup. So we experimenting this year. We in the kitchen cooking it up this year, and we're gonna have a good time. So I hope all y'all New Year's are starting out well. Let's get to the kitchen and cook. This is supposed to be like a detox soup, so we're gonna see how it go. All right. We got our pot. Alright y'all, so let's get in this fridge to get all of our ingredients out. So we're getting some cabbage, the bell pepper, I got red, green, and orange. I probably would have got yellow too if I was shopping, but you know, my man did it, so we're gonna take what we can get. Okay, and we got an onion. And then also some minced garlic. Of course, you can mince the garlic yourself, but yeah, we did. Also, we got 2 things of vegetable broth. You can dilute it if you want. You could just use 1 vegetable broth and then some water, but I didn't. All right, so let's get into these cutting of these onions, child. It's one right here. And if I didn't?
It's not granite countertop.
Okay.
It's not good for the countertop. You know how to get knife?
I'm trying to see what knife I like to use. Obviously not this one. Okay, so now that my man is done talking about how I'm cutting these onions, I'm like, I gotta cut them board. Honey, I gotta cut them board right here. Get off the kitchen. Anyway, so I'm peeling them and cutting them. This knife was crazy, but honestly, you don't have to cut the onions that small. I'm spraying the pan with some avocado oil. If you prefer olive oil, you can use that. That's fine. Grapeseed oil, it don't matter. I'm using avocado oil. And like I said, you don't have to cut the onions too small. Here I'm over here recording for TikTok too, y'all. Trying to get in my TikTok bag. So follow me on TikTok, Renee Shar. It will be frequent uploads on there. Now I'm going ahead and washing off these bell peppers and cutting up bell peppers. Starting with the orange one. And some people like the seeds. I'm not really a fan, you know, so I'm gonna cut them off. And I'm just cutting these into slices. Again, they don't need to be that small, but you could do it to your liking. I could have even done them in bigger chunks if I wanted, but this is just what we're doing. I went to go turn down the heat a little bit on the onions because you don't need those cooking too fast. Now I'm cutting up the red and the green. My goddaughter called me. So I was talking to her a little bit, showing her the colors of the bell pepper. Love her. Again, just chop these to your liking. Don't gotta do too much. Y'all, I hate cutting bell peppers. This was taking so long. I ain't gonna cap. This took so much longer than I planned as far as the prep work. Here I am getting back on TikTok because, you know, trying to get this content in, okay? It's never too late to become a content creator, okay? That's what I say. Okay, just putting some more olive or avocado oil in there so that these veggies don't burn. Adding all the different colored bell peppers now. And then just turn the heat back up, give it a good mix. Let those cook to pretty tender or to your liking. I'm also trying to get in my TikTok bag, so yeah. I know I'm a little late to the game, but we're getting into TikTok back. I'm sorry, I cheers to TikTok, but not to y'all. Cheers. Y'all, the worst part about cooking is really the prepping. I really hate cutting fruits and vegetables. And you know, the good thing about this cabbage soup is if it's good, there's definitely some lazy girl friendly ways to make this soup because they already be having bell pepper and onion cut up already ready to go at the store. It's a little more expensive. It's gonna cost you, but it's more convenient. I'm at that big age where I'll pay for some convenience, okay? I just will. But I got this cooking down over here. So while that's cooking down, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my cabbage into little shreds. I've actually never cooked cabbage a day in my life. So we're gonna cook some cabbage today. Y'all, I need some new knives, some better knives. So maybe stop about to be on here cooking. Maybe a cooking company or like utensil company will sponsor your girl. So I can make better cooking videos for y'all. Because y'all see I'm here struggling with this. Continue to cut the cabbage into shreds or squares or rectangles. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. I've seen it done in different ways. Mine is kind of shreds in some spots it's rectangles, triangles, and it don't really matter. You just, you know, get it small enough to where it's comfortable for you to eat to your liking. Clearly, I need a bigger cutting board because y'all see cabbage all over the counter. And excuse those boxes, we have went to the grocery store, and out here they do a lot of boxes instead of bags, so that's what that box was. But now we put in this vegetable broth. I'm using 2 full containers of vegetable broth, and this is like some organic vegetable broth. If you do, you can also use chicken broth. It does have a little bit more flavor than chicken broth, ain't gonna lie. But vegetable broth is still good. You just gotta add a little bit more seasoning to it, which is fine because we're gonna get it right. And then, you know, you just want to make sure you get every, you know, piece coated as best as you can. Get it under that liquid. Then we're gonna add some salt, some black pepper. We got this garden vegetable seasoning, and then some red crushed peppers. I dropped some lettuce, and y'all, this is a gas fire, so we ain't trying to have no fires. I mean a gas oven, so we ain't trying to have no fires. So just had to hurry and move that out the way. Anyways, just remixing it in, and then just put that top on let simmer. This is the final result of the cabbage soup. It came out so good. I tasted it already. I'm just waiting for Bae to get off the game so I can feed us both a bowl. But it's really good. Definitely recommend adding that crushed red pepper to give it a little kick because it did something for it, for real. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this first cooking video of 2024. Because y'all, we getting healthy. We cooking all 2024. Period. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to let me stand up. Okay. Thanks so much for watching though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram and Twitter. It needs to be 13. Also follow me on TikTok, y'all. I'm trying to grow on TikTok. I'm really late to the game, I know, but just just follow me because I promise I'm gonna be posting over there. TikTok is Renee Shara. It will be linked down below as well. So, all right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.